Hi and welcome to Debbie Love Designing. Fresh new year, and I made a new earring to go with it. So I just like to show you how it made. Quick, easy and so pretty. I really love it. So what you're going to need are some beads of your choice. I've got 10 beads. You can use more or less. You can use bigger or smaller, or experiment. Doesn't have to be exactly, but that's what I'm using. You can use the same colors or whatever combination you like, because creativity is endless really. Need an ear, so you'll need some beads, earring hook of your choice. You'll need one jump ring on this occasion, and you'll need a charm. That's if you're going to put a charm, or you could just have it as just like that, however you want. Quick, easy and so beautiful to make. So what you'll need, so that's what you'll need. You can use what charm you like, but I think it looks better with this kind of size charm, because I put on a larger charm. I don't know, I don't think it looked right, but I mean, you might like how you do it. So what you're going to need, you need some strong stretchy string. This is 1. The strength of it is 1, because it's really a strong one. Don't get a one that's too thin. This is size 1. Yeah. Yes, it's strong and stretchy, size 1, and suppose you can get the colour that you want. Really, it's not going to show, but this is, make sure it's strong and stretchy. The other ones will just break. So you'll need that. You got your beads. You got your charm. As I say, there's my earring hook. There it is, and one jump ring that opens. I'll show you the jump ring if you're not sure what a jump ring is this one. And then equipment you need, not much really. It's the usual, which I usually use, is round nose pliers, cutters, and chain nose pliers. So how we're going to begin is just by picking up the stretchy string and threading on the beads. So I want the beads to be in the same order as this one, so I'm going to put it on the same order, but you don't have to. If you want to combine it, you don't have to, but I just like them to kind of match a bit ish. Not exact, but so just start threading it on. The purple, let me look at it this way actually. So just start threading it on, and then I've got a kind of silvery. Then I'll thread on the silver. Now, it's kind of silver. I don't really cut the string yet till I kind of can work out how much I'll need. So that's silver. I hold that bit there. Silver, another purple. Purple there. So let's see, purple, and then that kind of silvery, I think it's called. Grey, no, I think it's grey actually. Grey silver. Another purple. And just thread it all on until you have how many you want and if you like how it looks. Another silver there. Purple. Silver. You call it silver, I mean it's more grey, isn't it? Right, so I've strung it all together and I looked at it against the other one here. I looked at it to see that it was matching up to the other one, and it is. So next, what we need to do, I've pulled out enough at the top. I think I pulled out a bit too much, but yeah. And still that, so just going to cut off. Let me pull a bit away actually. Right, we're going to cut it off now. Using the cutters, your flush cutters. Going to cut off the string. Like that. We need to leave enough to knot, and I like to knot it a few times. So we're going to knot it like that a couple of times. It's a lovely hard string, but we're going to tie it really hard, because it'd be annoying if it falls. Yeah, tie there. So I've knotted it twice and I've pulled it hard, so it's really nice and strong. And like so. I feel that's nice and equal to the other one. So the next thing I'm going to do is pick up our flush cutters again and cut very near the knot, not on the knot, but very near. If you feel a bit insecure, you can always add a bit of glue. You can always drop a bit of glue there, just to make sure. But the knot is quite a strong knot. I'm pulling it. You could either tie underneath as well, but I don't want the knot to be too big, to be honest. Right, so what we need to do is just cut near. Pick up your flush cutters and cut very near to the knot. Cut it there. Then cut near the other side. And then there's two little bits, so I'm going to just go in a bit closer and cut them. But I'm going to be very careful. I'm going to go a bit closer in and cut there. Go a bit closer into the other bit that's sticking out underneath. Go a bit closer in. And cut it like that. And then what I do is just push the knot into the holes. Then when you know that it's nice and secure together, the next thing you're going to do is just put on your charm. So just pick up your jump ring and then open it across. With your round nose pliers, you've opened it across, and then put the charm on. Like that. And then next you'll just put it on. I've opened it quite wide, and then I'll just open a bit of the and then just bring it together until it's closed. So it should just be hanging down. And then we're going to go to the top side and pick up our earring wire. You're going to pick up our earring wire, so open it quite wide. And then hook it on the other end. And then we're going to hook it on the other end, like that. Pick up our flat nose pliers Just bring it together. So bring it in a bit more upwards, so to make sure that it's closed. So just do a bit of adjustments there. So I'm really pleased with how those have come out. So thank you so much for taking time out to watch my channel. If you've got any comments or any questions, please pop them down below. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I try to make a video every week. By the end of every week I try. If you subscribe, please press the notification bell so that YouTube will let you know when I've posted another video. And also, if you want to follow me, I've put my links down below and my Etsy shop if you want to have a look through that. And thank you so much for taking time out to watch. Bye for now.